Ushongknor kaying dorbar thau an kejela Thomas E Sangma ulay thuo bapalat nyo pau pesen ni Jaboh Japan kinyut kinyer baro Shillong kawa Ganol ladap Troh bat penkut de kikenhon ki bakentup ikinong tray Tura Municipal Board SRDF kinong tray Block Development bat kinong tray jangka Ganol Hydro Project. Ulay thuo bako hakani kawa kala kut pir bat kala tut bench shaka jaka pen meeting electric nakatay kawa.
Yan nakaba tabulang ko ra panisi ya sa mang tao kang agito Standing behind me, you can see the Ganol hydropower project dam intake site where all the debris from the marketplaces, the picnic spots have accumulated and blocked the intake area, and it has been causing much concern to the power department and also the district administration, and it is very unfortunate that such collection of debris has been collected like this because of the not sufficient awareness among the public to throwing all these waste materials into the river and streams, and it has collected in such a huge quantity. We have the people have tried to clear the debris from last three days, but still even more than 60% of the debris are still left, and it will take another maybe a week or so to clear the debris. So it is very unfortunate, and we should also understand that there are other streams and rivers in and around Tura and Garo Hills, parts of Garo Hills, where picnickers, also the marketplaces, are throwing such debris, even the households. So it is high time that we all realize that we should not throw such garbage into the rivers and streams.